In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and get started with Figma in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just stepping into the world of digital design, Figma offers a fantastic platform for creating and collaborating. We'll cover the entire sign-up process, ensuring you can jump right in and start working on your projects without any hassle. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Chrome browser and navigate over to figma.com. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Sign Up button, which is your gateway into Figma. Give that button a click and you'll be redirected to the registration page. Now on this page, you have a choice. You can either enter your email address and create a password to set up your account, or for a quicker start, you can use the convenient Google or Apple sign-in option. If you choose to register using your email, be sure to pick a strong password that you'll remember, ensuring your account stays secure. If Google or Apple is the way you decide to go, simply follow the prompts that appear to link your account seamlessly with Figma. Once you've completed your sign up, there may be an additional step, email verification. This is where you'll need to check the inbox of the email you provided. Figma will have sent a verification email your way. Open it up and click on the verification link inside. This crucial step helps protect your account and guarantees that you and only you have access. Now comes the moment you've been waiting for, logging in and beginning your design journey. With your newly verified account, head back to figma.com and use your credentials to sign in. Immediately, you'll have the vast landscape of design tools at your fingertips, ready for you to dive in and start creating amazing things. Figma is known for its user-friendly interface and collaborative features, so don't hesitate to explore the various tools and features once you're logged in. The platform allows real-time collaboration, which can be a game changer if you're working with a team. So whether you're designing interfaces, wireframes, or anything in between, Figma can help you turn your vision into reality with ease. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to begin designing your projects in Figma. Remember, diving into a new tool can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with a little exploration, I'm confident you'll become comfortable in no time. Enjoy experimenting with the features, collaborating with others, and bringing your creative ideas to life. Thanks for watching and happy designing.